Have you ever felt like you're trying to pick the lock to success, but you're just fumbling with the wrong tools? For over 80 years, the world's most successful people, the elite, have been using one master key. And frankly, they never wanted you to find it. Does your life feel like you're running on a treadmill? You're sweating, you're putting in all the effort, but you're not actually going anywhere. You set those big, ambitious goals, you work harder than anyone you know. But that real breakthrough, that life-changing wealth and freedom, it always seems to stay just out of reach, like a mirage in the desert. Let me tell you something important. The problem isn't your work ethic. You're not lazy. The problem is your blueprint. You've been given the wrong set of instructions. It's like trying to build a skyscraper using the plans for a garden shed. It's just never going to work, no matter how hard you try. But what if you had the correct blueprint? What if you had the exact same mental framework used by titans of industry like Henry Ford, the man who revolutionized modern manufacturing, and Thomas Edison, the genius who literally lit up the world? This isn't some motivational theory or a fleeting trend. This is a code, a success code that was painstakingly deciphered from the minds of over 500 of the wealthiest and most influential people of their time. It's all laid out in a masterpiece called Think and Grow Rich, based on the 13 Laws of Success by Napoleon Hill. Now, I could just stand here and list all 13 laws for you. But that would be like trying to drink from a fire hose. It would be a total information overdose, and you'd probably forget most of it by tomorrow. That's not helpful. Instead, I'm going to give you something much more powerful. I am going to hand you the 3 laws that will completely shatter the way you think about success and achievement. These are the foundational pillars. If you can truly master just these 3, the other 10 will naturally fall into place and make perfect, intuitive sense. Let's start with law number 3, autosuggestion. You can think of this as the self-hypnosis of success. Now, this goes way beyond just chanting a few positive affirmations in the mirror. This is about actively programming your subconscious mind. It's about convincing the deepest part of your brain that your goal isn't just a possibility. It's an accomplished fact. You don't just hope to be successful. You command your mind to be successful. So, what's the benefit? It's profound. When you successfully program your subconscious, you start thinking, feeling, and acting like the successful person you defined. Your posture changes, the way you speak changes, the decisions you make change. And the most incredible part, the world around you begins to mirror that inner certainty back to you. Opportunities seem to appear out of nowhere because you're finally tuned to the right frequency. Next up, law number 6, organized planning. This is the official death of winging it. So many of us have a vague idea of what we want, but our plan to get there is just work hard and hope for the best. That's not a plan. It's a lottery ticket. Millionaires, on the other hand, don't just have goals. They have military-grade battle plans. They map out every step, anticipate obstacles, and create contingency plans. They move from a state of hope to a state of absolute certainty. The benefit of this is a game changer. Every single action you take becomes purposeful. You stop wasting your precious time and energy on activities that don't move the needle. Instead, you start building unstoppable momentum with ruthless efficiency. Imagine your energy as a laser beam, focused and powerful, instead of a light bulb, scattered and weak. That's the power of organized planning. And now, for what might be the most important, and certainly the most counterintuitive, of them all. Law number 9, the habit of performing more service than you are paid for. I know what you're thinking. Wait a minute, that sounds crazy. The world tells me to do the bare minimum to get by. Work to rule. But that's the mindset that keeps people stuck. The secret law of wealth is over-delivery. It's about consistently providing more value than is expected of you. It's about making yourself so valuable, so indispensable, that you become a magnet for opportunity. The benefit here is that you fundamentally shift the economic equation in your favor. You stop getting paid for the hours you sit in a chair and start getting paid for the immense value you create. When you're indispensable, raises, promotions, and new business ventures don't become something you have to beg for. They become the natural consequence of your value. People will line up to work with you. These 3 laws: autosuggestion, organized planning, and over-delivering on service. They are just the beginning. They are the undeniable proof that this system works. But the real power, the kind of power that can completely redefine your reality and reshape your future, lies in understanding and applying the complete set of 13 laws. That full, detailed, step-by-step blueprint is waiting for you. And we are going to be revealing all 13 of these powerful laws, breaking each one down with practical examples, one by one, in our upcoming video series. Don't gamble with your future any longer. The time for hoping and wishing is over. It's time to start planning and executing. Tap that subscribe button right now and, more importantly, hit the notification bell. You absolutely do not want to miss what is coming next. The secret is out. Now, it's your turn to use it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we begin this incredible journey.